Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is day trading for the week of, or the first week of January 2nd. And it's been an exciting week watching the up and down of my stocks. The beginning of the week, my stocks were at 200. I was in negative. Okay, negative 230 on Monday, and when everything started to open up throughout the week, it started to decrease in my negative, or should I say, become positive. And today, of course, is Friday. It closed. I watched it this morning because I was watching one of my stocks that I was, again, watching like I did last week, and it wasn't moving. Well, I decided to go ahead and use that. Well, it was moving up, and it moved out of my range that I wasn't going to buy it. So I went ahead and moved it on to another stock that was dropping, and that was like Wednesday. So I went ahead and put the funds over on this other share, and it hadn't dropped to as low as I wanted to buy it. And today it actually did, and it sat the rest of the day at what I bought it at. So I'm happy. I'm happy with that. And with that said, I kept increasing my funds on it as far as my positive gains, my gains in there. And with that, it closed today at positive 29. So I went from a negative, like, what did I say, 200 and, like, negative 230 in the hole, to a positive 29 gain. So I'm really happy with that. That means I had 4 out of my 6 go into the green, out of the negative. One of them I do have that's a negative 159 in the hole, and I got another one that's $40 in the hole. But everything else is a solid gain. One of them is up $174. So I could sell that today and make that, but it's not where I want it to be to sell. I'm not in any hurry to sell them either. So, I like where it's at. I have my actual cost on that is $2.60, and it closed the day at $3.20 a share. So I'm really happy about that. I've been watching some other shares climb this week as well. So when they announced the tax advantages now, a lot of these companies are going to have advantages in that respect. So that's what I think I'm seeing right now is the profits in the sharing because of whatever the tax advantages are now to the companies. So I'm not a tax professional. I'm just, that's my theory right now, because I haven't seen my stocks jump this much in a whole year. Then again, it could be because it's a new year, But again, I was negative 200 beginning of the week, and I am a positive $29. So I'm really happy with that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, and definitely subscribe. And we will catch you on the next day trading.